What's up, guys? Sylvia here. Welcome back to my channel.
Shut up! Hey guys, it's me Sylvia back with another video. Welcome back to my channel.
I'm Carrington. What's up, guys?
Today we have Carrington on my channel, finally. If you guys don't know, we are two peas in a pod. Okay, together all the time.
My best friend.
Finally, we got around to doing a video together. We are gonna do a naughty and nice makeup tutorial transforming ourselves. As you can see, we've already kind of started with our really bad wigs.
She is clearly naughty. I'm nice.
She will be the nice one.
We can both be a little nice and a little naughty.
Before we get started, I'm gonna announce my giveaway winners. There was 3 people that won my palette with BH Cosmetics. So the winners were Ewelina Binkowska from Franklin Park, Illinois, Tabitha Robledo from West Haven, Connecticut, and Trinity Lowry from Ann Arbor, Michigan.
You got a Sylvia Gani BH Cosmetics palette!
So congratulations to those 3 winners, but don't worry if you did not win. I told you guys the holiday giveaways were just getting started, so I actually have 8 more prizes to give away, and these are way bigger. There will be 8 winners. We're starting the giveaway when this video is up, and it will end the first week of January, and along the way I'll be announcing giveaway winners across all my socials. So we have big groups of makeup. I will pop up the pictures here of all the makeup, and every winner will be getting one of my palettes in their package as well. So still a lot more chances to win. All you have to do is make sure you're following me on all my socials. The link will be in the description to enter the giveaway.
Yay! We love the S Club. So
without further ado, let's get into the video.
Heck yeah.
Okay, let's get started. You know I'm gonna prime my face.
Oh, guys, I never use primer.
Okay.
Ever.
It's because your skin's perfect, so.
But should I use it today because I'm on the Sylvia channel and I want to feel a little fancy? Yeah, let's try a little primer. When I first sat down, Sylvia has like a monitor like right there, like to the right of us. You can see everything. I'm like, Now moving on to foundation. We're gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape.
And the Too Faced Peach Perfect. Should we tell the people how we met?
Yes. I'm a part of Clout Gang. I was living in the house. Sylvia, this girl came in and I was like, oh my god, like a female, because I'm not used to hanging around females unless it's like Alyssa.
So my ex also lived in that Clout House when we first moved to LA. So because I was at the Clout House a lot because Charlie was staying there, I met Carrington. I was like, this girl is way too pretty to be living with my man. I was a little shook, to be honest. I was like, oh, but she's so nice, damn it. And then we ended up like just always being there together, so we became friends, you know?
And then we realized that we are literally the exact same human being, and then became
BFFs.
Best friends.
And the rest is history.
Right. Concealer.
Concealer, I am using the Kylie Cosmetics concealer. So what are your plans for the holidays, Carrington?
I'm actually leaving tomorrow. I'm going back to Nashville, which is where I'm from.
You're leaving me.
Me and Sylvia always have separation anxiety. We just get busy and then we get like overwhelmed and it's like, ugh. Whenever we are together, like we're literally just like stuck together. Like,
yeah.
Freaking grew. Let's set the face.
I'm gonna prime my lids while she's doing that and then I'll set my face after.
Guys, for my look, I'm gonna kind of go for like a icy vibe.
I'm gonna go for like a red, fiery, naughty look. All I know is I will be using my brand new palette with BH Cosmetics. Whip her out, Carrington. Oh yeah, you too can own this nice palette for the very affordable price of $24. What is that? 22 shadows for $24? Yeah, that's a good deal if I ever seen one.
Look
and
at
you got
those
all those shades. You got all those shades. You got the mattes, you got the shimmers, you got the highlights. What more could you need?
Also, peep the Grinch nails. Ooh, Christmas spirit. Time to contour.
I used and abused that. Show the people.
She went off. A little snatch the nose. These are just like the basics because there's gonna be hella detail.
I'm just setting my face and also getting it literally all over my dress.
And Sylvia, what are your holiday plans?
My family doesn't celebrate Christmas, and I used to always spend the holidays with my ex's family. This year, your girl's going on vacation. So I'm gonna go to Miami and just relax, go to the beach, tan. Yeah, so it should be fun. I'm gonna go with my girlfriend, and we're just gonna have a good time in Miami. I've never been.
You've never been?
Heard it's crazy. So me and Princey are off to Miami.
So now we're gonna blush it up because I'm supposed to look like I'm cold.
For bronzer, I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs Tantastic. Ooh, look at this. These hair pieces literally everywhere. They're so annoying. Many regrets wearing the wig first. Many regrets. But if I take it off now, my head literally looks like a condom.
So I'm gonna take the color Wolf in Sylvia's palette, and I'm just gonna use that to use as a base color on my lid. I'm going in with this blue color, Rebel, which is kind of ironic. Putting this in the crease.
So I'm gonna go in with Sisterhood. I'm gonna take that in my crease.
All right, so I'm gonna take this Too Faced Unicorn Tears stick highlighter and put this onto my cheek.
And I'm just gonna continue on with my eyes here.
Ooh!
That's
okay!
pretty.
Yeah.
You look so cute already. What did you even do? It takes me like 20 steps to be as cute as you.
False advertisement. You're the most beautiful winter snookums that I've ever met.
Tell me more.
That I love. That does the good eyes with the makeup and does this face when she does her eyeshadow that I like. That I like a lot. That were good.
Get you a friend like Carrington. Carrington and I literally just do weird voices all the time. We can't help it.
Exactly. That's just our nature. I'm gonna do some experimenting really quick. I'm going to take the blue color that I used in my crease.
Rebel.
Mix it with Prance. Spritz me, baby.
I got your back.
Ooh!
I told you could make
That
the
looks
icy
good.
blue. This palette. Mix any shade you want. We got it all. So I forgot to contour my nose. I'm gonna do that real quick.
I feel like I need this instead.
Real friends share their makeup. Every time Carrington comes over or has one of her like 3-night sleepovers, because once I get her here, I never let her go. She just like dips into my makeup collection. I'm like, what's mine is yours, honey boo boo. She has her own little corner of the bathroom where she puts like her brushes that she uses and the products that she uses the most. That's cute. It's like having your own drawer at my house, you know?
Exactly. Guys, this is Opal.
Opal does not play, you know?
Opal is not out here to play with the little dog.
I think I'm gonna use Sisterhood as a blush because my palette can do everything, so therefore, so can I.
I'm gonna go in with a white eyeliner pencil and line my my waterline. The one on my bottom.
Look at my wig. It's going farther and farther back as we speak.
My highlight snatched your wig!
It did. Carrington, tell us about yourself. What does the S Club need to know about Carrington Durham?
So guys, I am 18 years old. A lot of people usually freak out when I tell them that.
I had no idea she was that young when I met her, and I was like, damn, but she's so mature.
I'm gonna go a little crazy with the silver glitter, and I'm gonna put a few streaks of it in my eyebrows.
I'm just smoking my lash line. I'm gonna get a really smoldering, smoky look.
I'm gonna even add a little bit of glitter in there too because I'm feeling crazy.
Oh,
I have 2 Christmas trees.
that actually looks sick. It looks really good.
My eyebrows now match my dress. Love that for me.
I'm taking Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Liner because you know, ain't no Christmas look without some glitter.
Like I just ate a snowman.
Did you hear what Offset did while Cardi was performing at Rolling Loud to like profess his love and like try and win her back?
Yeah, honestly, don't do that, guys.
I feel like guys just don't get it.
If you're on like not so good terms with someone and you don't talk to them before doing something crazy like that in front of so many people, the world.
You gotta give her that moment. That was her moment, and you're making it about some like drama relationship. I don't know how Cardi feels, but I feel like she wasn't into it.
Absolutely not.
Okay, I don't know why I haven't done my brows yet, but I'm definitely doing those right now.
Guys, we have like some jewels here, and because we're doing like, I kind of want it to look maybe like icicles. We could look like a little teardrop face tat. Ooh,
cute.
It's, I do one cute, and then I dropped another one.
You get one to lose, that's it. How many have you lost? Carrington!
One of them.
Things are taking a turn real quick for me. I don't know, I want to go more dramatic. So I'm doing
crazy.
Some sort of like graphic smoky wing thing going on here.
It looks sick. I put on my eyelashes and I put some black mascara on my lower lashes.
Now, my eyes are done finally.
Same.
Now let's move on.
I'm gonna have a little like snowflake moment. So we have these little stencils basically, and I'm gonna add these onto my cheeks and then put eyeshadow or blush around it, and it's gonna be like an outline of a snowflake.
I'm gonna try and do that whole Christmas lights thing that I've been seeing around Instagram. Some people do it on their eyes, some people do it like on their brows. I'm gonna try and do like one across my face. I don't know, it could be bad. I've never tried this before.
I think it'll look sick.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Oh no, snowflake, snowflake.
I think this is how I want the lights. I don't know.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
Okay, now I'm gonna go over it with black.
A little snowflake. Now we're gonna have a little blue moment.
Whoa, that looks sick.
So I just took this off. Oh my gosh. Let's do another one. This is fun.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie of all time is like anything Tim Burton, but my favorite movie is probably either Corpse Bride or The Nightmare Before Christmas. Christmas.
I feel that. My favorite movie is definitely Water for Elephants. Can we watch it tonight?
I'm down to watch it.
Okay, so I have my 3 items. I don't know if they're gonna work. I just look for red, green, and yellow. So here we go. What's like your favorite Christmas gift that you've ever gotten for Christmas?
Probably one of my favorite Christmas presents that I ever received, and like I still have to this day and use all the time when I'm back in Nashville, is my dad and mom got me, my sister, and my brother a golf cart.
Golf cart? That's epic. What the heck?
We live on a golf course as well, so we always just like drive around and it's always so much fun. What's your favorite Christmas present you've ever gotten?
Family doesn't really celebrate Christmas, so my mom still like got us gifts every year, like 1 or 2 things, because she didn't want us to feel left out from all the other kids at school and stuff. So when I was little, I was probably like 8 or 7 or something, she got me this like kids makeup kit that was so big.
Aww.
I know, and I loved it because I always used to wear her makeup.
That's adorable.
But I loved it. Clearly, now here I am.
I turned into a Smurf way quicker than I thought I would.
Now moving on to the green bulbs. How old were you when you had your first boyfriend? I'm asking you things that I feel like I should know.
But I don't think we've asked those things to each other. I've always been a very boyfriend type of woman. Like if we're holding hands at recess, you're booing me up, you know? I had a boyfriend from 3rd grade to 5th grade. Same boyfriend.
That is so young, girl.
I know. His mom would pick us up and we would go like to the movies or go get like ice cream or we never even kissed or anything like that. I think the most we ever did was like just hold hands.
Yeah. I was so scared of boys for the longest time.
Since we're on the topic of boyfriends, when was your first kiss?
Oh my god, my first kiss? I was so old, okay? How old are you?
I was like 13.
I think I was 16. Yeah, so it was this guy that I really liked. Like, I literally was so infatuated with him. Like, I wrote my diary about him. Like, I loved him. We went to this really romantic, like, hill near my house that, like, overlooked the highway. After we kissed, he's like, why are your eyes open? You should close your eyes. And I was like,
no!
I was like, oh crap.
Oh no!
So ever since that moment, I've never kissed with my eyes open again.
My first kiss was an absolute mess.
What? Tell us.
So I was in a music video. I was like this boy's like love interest. After the music video, we were like hanging out, blah blah blah, and then we went to like a movie. He was like trying to hold my hand. I was like, stop! Like I don't want to hold your hand. But I like really liked him, so I was like, okay, maybe. After that, his dad was like,
you guys want to go back to the house and make like cookies or like something?
So we go back, make cookies.
You were 13?
I was 13. And then his dad went to his room to like get something. It still kind of weirds me out because I feel like his dad went to the room because he wanted his son to kiss me. We like kiss.
Ooh.
I didn't like him as much after I kissed him because I felt like it was like forced.
You know when you kiss a guy and then you're just like, don't want to do that again.
Yeah. People don't think sometimes that like good kissers and bad kissers is like actually a thing.
Oh, that's a real thing.
It's an actual thing. Don't be all freaking, you know? We don't want that.
That's enough of that topic.
Yeah.
You're right. It's easy to lose these jewels.
See, I told you.
And it's gone. 3rd time's the charm. Okay, we got 1 gem there. Not sure what the difference is, but I mean, we're just doing things at this point.
Now I'm just highlighting my lips a little bit to make them look a bit more frosty.
Finishing touches, I'm doing a very dark vampy lip. Carrington is adding some snowflake details.
Some snowflakes. Some little freckles.
A little bit of red gloss in the center. Oh, that's a liquid lipstick. That was supposed to be gloss. Be right back. So these are our final naughty and nice looks. I love how they turned out, girl. You killed it. You killed it. You look like an ice snowflake princess. And
you look like a naughty, bad girl.
Ready to snatch your man.
Ready to snatch your Christmas lights.
Santa, I know what I want for Christmas. It's your Make sure you guys head over to Carrington's channel. If you are S Club, you're gonna love Carrington, so you gotta go and subscribe to my girl, okay? Don't forget to enter the giveaway as well. Link in description. You're going to win all those goodies. But that's all for today's video. I hope you guys loved it. Click right here to subscribe to the 2 of us and buy my palette by clicking this button right here so you can cop these looks too. You saw what we did with those palettes. Go get yourself one. But that's it for today's video. I love you guys so much. Bye. Bye. Bye.